Good day to all. My name is Saravana Devi Anna Prabhupan Palanisamy. I'm doing this recording for my assignment HPEC 3703 Family and Community Relations in Early Childhood Education. When we look at the benefits, why the parents and the community or the family and the community need to be involved in the childhood education program. Now is really sees as a very important aspect that all the early childhood centers, the teachers, parents have to take into considerations. It's not about the parents just send the children to the kindergarten and the children will grow, but when the parents involve actively in the activities of the kindergarten of the preschool, that's help a lot, and the children, the parents and the teachers benefit a lot through the involvement of family and the community in the early childhood educations. Today I'm going to share with you 4 benefits for 4 people that get through the involvement of family and community. First, we look at the children. Children is the most person that really benefit through the involvement of the parents. Of course, all of us know about it. When the parents are involved, the child also be happy to go to the school. That build the confidence within the child. When the child see the parents also involving in the activities or programs in their educations, the child build the self-confidence. They will be more confident to do something, to participate in their learning activities. Otherwise, they may frighten, they don't want to involve themselves. And most importantly is the social life will be improved when they see the parents or the families involved with the activities, or they are communicating with the teachers, the parents are communicating with the child, and that help their social life. Because when one parents communicate with the other parents, somehow the both child will be friendly with one another. Because the parents know each other, the child will be friendly, and they may meet frequently, not only in the school, sometimes in neighborhood, or even they meet somewhere else. That build the relationship with others. Now all of us know the problems are facing in our world, that individualistic uh, problems, that many people are very individual. They like to be alone in their own comfort zone. So this involvement will help to build the social life from the younger age for the children. And they will have the community spirit when they see many parents are involving in the activities of or the programs of the early childhood center or in the kindergarten. The community spirit will be cultivated in the children from young. They will learn to work together with others. They will see the joy of working together. And of course, without denying, that help in the child's education, increase the child's achievement in the education. Because when the parents are actively involved in the kindergartens, then that will help the child to improve in their studies. When they have problems or they have a difficulty, then the teacher will be able to talk to the parents, and the parents will be able to help the child to improve, to see what and which place the child is lacking, maybe in language, maybe in counting. So when the parents are communicating with the teachers, they are able to identify the difficulties that facing by the child, and they can help the child at home. And the second person that we're going to see is the parents. How the parents are benefit when they involve in the kindergarten activities. The parents will have more positive attitudes towards the educations, or even towards the towards the teachers, because when they have a good communication, they have a good relationship with the teachers, they able to understand how the teachers carry out the lessons, how they are teaching their child, and they able to understand. They have a positive attitudes towards the teacher without blaming them or condemn them to say, oh, because of you my child is didn't learn anything, or always go and complain about the teacher. They have a more positive attitude, and they can work together. The benefit is they can work together. When they have a good relationship, they are actively involved in the kindergarten, they can work together with the teacher. They can plan things together, and they can talk about it, what we can going to do to the child, and take part in the childhood learning. Mean not only they take part in the programs or events, but also that indirectly involve them in the learning of the child, because many parents are very busy. So in through involving themselves in the activities or events of the kindergarten, that indirectly help the parents to involve themselves in the education of the child. At least they know how the child is growing, how the child is doing, what help the parents can give to their own children. Monitoring and assisting with homework. Because of the parents are not actively involved in the educations or in the child's learning, so they cannot be assist their children when they have to do some homework. We always face this problem. Some of the child didn't complete the homework when come back from home. Most of the time when we search for the answer, the parents are busy, the parents have no time to teach the child, and they have an active support towards the learning and development of the child. They will give the support to the teachers when the teachers need. So that is the benefits that get by the parents. Okay, when we look at the teachers, what are the benefits the teachers receive or the teachers get through the involvement of the parents in the early childhood educations? They will able to understand the background of the child, why the child is behaving such a way, or why this problem facing by the child. Is there anything that the teacher can help the child? So when they communicating with the parents, when the parents are involved in the education, the teachers will be feel free to talk to the parents, to ask when they have some confusion or they need some clarification. They able to talk to the parents to get the clarification why the child is behaving like this. When the teachers have a better understanding on the child's background or the behaviors, that will be help the teachers to plan and to act to help the child. So that is very important to help the child from the, especially for when come to the behaviors problem. The younger age, the young they are is better that they can change their behaviors. So that will help the teachers. Then the collaboration between the parents will make it easier the work for the teachers. That's mean they will be able to work together along with the parents. That at the end it's going to help the child to improve in their life. And through that knowing the child, knowing the parents, the teachers also able to finding appropriate steps that they can take. Maybe they need to improve their teaching or their method. That will be benefit for the teachers when the parents are actively involved, and they also will be freely or able to give freely and honestly their feedback to the parents. No need to be afraid, ayo, if I tell the parents, how the parents will be feel, or whether the parents will get angry. When they have a good relationship, the teachers will be able to give a honest feedback to the parents. When they give honest feedback, the parents also will know what is happening within the child, what is lacking, what the parents can help the child. Then the fourth is the kindergarten. Of course, this collaboration with the parents and the community and their involvement in the kindergarten will help the kindergarten in a way the child's attendance will be very good. the child will be happily come to the kindergarten, and the parents will feel confidence towards the kindergarten, because when they involve, they see the things, they see how the things are carried out, so they have more confidence towards the kindergarten. Then they also can able to share the expertise and professionals. Some of the parents are maybe professionals in medicals or teachers, in other aspects, a good secretary or landscapers. So when in that way, the parents can help the kindergarten in many ways. For example, if the father is a landscaper, so he can give the ideas, so maybe he sponsors the plant to the kindergarten, so that will give the benefits. So if the parents are doctors, they able to give some of the tips or points to the teachers how to take care or how to handle during the emergency situations. And that is will be the strength-based partnership, when decisions and responsibility are shared, and also improve the management. Maybe the feedback from the parents, when they actively give the feedback, collaborate with the kindergarten will be able to improve their management. Maybe they need to do some changes and all these things. So I think in overall, the students, the teachers, the parents and the kindergarten will be very much benefit when the parents or the family and community actively involved in the early childhood educations. Thank you.